Write a program to input three sides of a triangle and check the type of triangle. Input three sides of triangle. This is A is a side, B is a side, C is a side. A, B, C are three sides of the triangle. Next is check for valid triangle. If sum of two sides greater than the third sides, sum of any two sides greater than the third side, then this is triangle is possible. So if A plus B greater than C, and there must be and A plus C greater than B and B plus C greater than A. Sum of any two sides greater than the third side, then triangle possible. Then check type of triangle. If it is true, it will check the type of triangle. Type of triangle, if three sides are equal, then this is your equilateral triangle. If three sides are equal means A equal to B and B equal to C. That means three sides are equal. So print equilateral triangle. If any two sides equal, then this is your isosceles triangle. So if means if this condition is false, then again there is a condition. If A equal to B, or there must be or B equal to C or A equal to C. That means any two sides equal, then this is your isosceles triangle. Here and here or. Else means both the conditions are false. This condition and this condition, both conditions are false. Then this is your scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means no sides are equal, all sides are different. Next, else. This is your if, this is else part. This is your else part of this if statement. Else means this condition is false. This condition is false means triangle is not possible. So print here not a valid triangle. Triangle is not possible.